Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we show you step-by-step tutorial and guides. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your South University student portal. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing what you need to do is open up a browser of your choice and then search for South University student portal login. Then select the first link which says login to student portal. Then this will take you to the login page where you need to enter your username and your password. And once you've done that, simply select login. And that's how simple it was to log into your South University student portal. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post another video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.